Ever felt like your money just disappears? You check your bank account, and poof, gone. If you're using PocketGuard, you might be wondering, does this app actually do anything? Does it magically move money around for you? PocketGuard is a popular budgeting app that promises to help you track spending, set budgets, and even automate savings. But does it live up to the hype? Can you truly rely on it to actually move your money where you want it to go? Let's dive in and find out. First, we'll explore PocketGuard's core features and how they relate to moving your money. Then, we'll examine the different ways PocketGuard can help you automate savings and improve your financial health. One of PocketGuard's key features is its ability to automatically categorize your transactions. By analyzing your spending habits, it can identify recurring expenses like rent, utilities, and subscriptions. This categorization helps you understand where your money is going and quickly spot areas for potential savings. But does it move money? Not directly, no. PocketGuard doesn't automatically transfer funds between accounts. However, it provides valuable insights that can empower you to make informed decisions about your finances. For example, if you see that you're spending too much on dining out, PocketGuard can help you set a budget and track your progress. Now, let's talk about automation. PocketGuard offers a feature called roundups that automatically rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. This is a fantastic way to passively grow your savings without much effort. You can also set up automatic transfers to savings accounts based on your income and spending patterns. While PocketGuard doesn't directly move money between accounts on its own, it provides the tools and information you need to take control of your finances. By understanding your spending habits and setting realistic goals, you can make conscious decisions about how to allocate your money. For example, if PocketGuard shows you that you're consistently overspending on entertainment, you can decide to cut back and redirect those funds towards a more important financial goal, like paying down debt or building an emergency fund. You can then use your bank's online banking or mobile app to initiate the necessary transfers. PocketGuard also offers a feature called in-app bills, which allows you to pay bills directly within the app. This can streamline your bill-paying process and help you avoid late fees. However, it's important to note that this feature may involve additional. Ultimately, PocketGuard is a powerful tool for tracking your spending and gaining a better understanding of your financial situation. While it doesn't directly move money for you, it provides the information and insights you need to make informed decisions about your finances and take control of your money. Remember, financial success requires consistent effort and discipline. PocketGuard can be a valuable ally in your journey, but it's up to you to take action and make the necessary changes to improve your financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.